In this episode of my dream Volvo turbo build, I will be swapping some parts between my old and new engine, and then I will be dropping the new engine in my 245 chassis. So let's get to work.
Nigga in the skin that I'm in. Light skin, but I do a nigga in. I'll fight him up the pipe for a win. Flame got a pipe with the knife to his chin. Let my dog fight him, now he lunch for the pit. In the mall bar, ice on some bulk of this shit. 556, split holes in your fit. It been vocal, land in the wind. Rich black nigga in the skin that I'm in. Light skin, but I do a nigga in. I'll fight him up the pipe for a win. Flame got a pipe with the knife to his chin. Let my dog fight him, now he lunch for the pit. In the mall bar, ice on some bulk nigga shit. 556, split holes in your fit. Let my dog hit him, now he gotta get got. He ain't gotta get shot. Saw a little too much, and I ain't gotta get caught. Vintage Da Vinci no longer in stock. I feel like 50, I don't window shop. I ordered jiggies and classy remarks on the block for 5 hours serving rock. Me and your bitch at the spot, be giving me top for 5 hours non-stop. It land in the wind. Rich black nigga in the skin that I'm in. Light skin, but I do a nigga in. I'll fight him up the pipe for a win.
The only major thing that must be swapped between the two engines is the distributor rotor. For that, I had to remove the timing belt, timing sprockets, BCV breather box, oil pump gear, and the front crankcase cover. Afterwards, I had to do the same thing to my old engine. Then I had to remove the distributor from my original engine and install it on the B230 FK engine. Now, of course, the footage of me removing the timing belts got corrupted, so that just sucks. But after relocating the distributor, the new B230 FK engine was ready to go into my 245. After getting the engine on the chassis, I had to remove the old wiring harness and install a new wiring harness. That is from another Volvo 240 with a LH 2.4 injection system. My old engine had the LH 2.2 injection system, and that was just not gonna work.
they know. Yo, bitch looking at me up and down like an elder scroll. I might drown a bitch. No money counterfeit. Smoking out a pound and shit. My thumbs go blind you quick. Fuck these rap niggas. Big my check bigger. Too much money gotta hide a minute. Don't rich nigga gotta ride the minute. Fake ass rolling with a cost you. Get bossed around if you ain't bossed up. Fucking hate it when you check up. Trying to bitch put my neck up. Slup. I'm riding around with a pump. 500,000 in the trunk. Black and white coupe.
When the wiring harness was in place, I mounted the flywheel and clutch to the new engine. I had a lot of trouble mounting the gearbox, but eventually I got it to sit right. It just took quite a while. After mounting the gearbox, it was all smooth sailing. I bolted back the gearbox bell housing, connected the clutch cable and the drive shaft.
Shit. Nigga fall in love with a handsome dick. I kill it. Go so deep, something like with a casket dip. And I ain't trying to trip. So much brain, got a scholarship. I see him talking shit. Press the soft button, then call it quit. Now ain't that some shit. Nigga fall in love with a handsome dick. I kill it. Go so deep, something like with a casket dip. And I ain't trying to trip. So much brain, got a scholarship. I see him talking shit. Press the soft button, then call it quit. wait, that's some shit. Make her fall in love with a handsome dick. I kill it, kill it, kill it. Go so deep, something like with a casket dip. And I ain't trying to trip. So much brain, got a scholarship. I see him talking shit. Press the start button, then call it quit. Now wait, that's some shit. Make her fall in love with a handsome dick. I kill it, kill it, kill it. Go so deep, something like with a casket dip. And I ain't trying to trip. So much brain, got a scholarship. I see him talking shit. Press the start button, then call it quit.
And as you can see, we actually got the engine mounted. In the next episode, we will be modifying a few components, connecting the exhaust system, and we're going to be going on a little drive. So if you are enjoying the series, make sure you subscribe as there is still more to come. But until then, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.